Sanusi, has been officially reinstated as the 16th Emir of Kano, despite a federal high court injunction. This is coming barely 24 hours after Governor Kabir Yusuf of Kano State reappointed him as Emir after signing into law the bill that abolished the 5 emirates created by the Abdullahi Ganduje-led administration. A federal high court sitting in Kano had earlier granted an ex-parte order stopping Governor Abba Yusuf of Kano from reinstating Emir Muhammadu Sanusi II pending the determination of a substantive suit filed against the reinstatement. However, Sanusi had received his appointment letter as the Emir of Kano. Governor Abba Yusuf, traditional rulers, kingmakers, and other dignitaries attended the event at the art chamber of the Kano State Government House on Friday. The Emir was reinstated to the throne 4 years after he was deposed by the government of Ganduje. The new law replaces the Kano State Emirates Council Law, 2019, and dissolves the emirate councils created by Ganduje. That law was used by Ganduje to split the Kano Emirate into 5 in December 2019 and deposed Sanusi II, on March 9, 2020. The emirates created by the Ganduje administration were Kare, Bichi, Reno, and Gaya, in addition to Kano. Emir Emir Sanusi II, a former governor of the Central Bank of Nigeria, was known as Lamido Sanusi before becoming king.